y'all, it's Sha-Deana Z. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. As you can see by that title, I'm bringing you guys yet another instant lock maintenance video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a video. And with that being said, let's hop right into it. Alright you guys, so as you can see right now, she's going through my hair and showing me all the thin locks she's finding in my head. But just listen closely to the next clip so y'all can see what's really going on. My hair just went through some major damage. Basically, you know, I went through postpartum hair loss. So she said the whole front of my hairline, the locks are all thinning at the root. They are all thinning and eventually are acting as if they want to all fall out. And she said that I would have to cut them all off in the front and let her reattach them, which would cause my locks in the front to be stiff, but it would give me, I guess, the thicker base at the root. And she also mentioned something that made me realize, like, I have so many locks, and she said that water, you know, like when we washing our hair, the water weight is making it thin. And this was a thick lock, and now the root is like thin. You know, my hair is only gonna get heavier. So now I'm like, do I got too many locks? You got me thinking about my whole life right now, my whole everything. Wow.
But it's fine.
But now you got me really.
But you might want to up your maintenance. Instead of doing 3 months, you might want to do 2.
I really did not know this would happen. Like, we started off with some really thin, and I even thought I was gonna have more locks because the way she did start them, they was, I mean, the back of my, they were so small, and now they budded, and they were even smaller than
know they got like the hair density that you have,
and then
they get micro locks because over time, what have you had?
I did not.
So with micro locks,
this through.
If you had micro locks, you wouldn't even feel half the heaviness you feel when you wash your hair.
Are you kidding? So micro locks are
Those
smaller,
are even smaller than
not
sister,
but yeah.
I'm just gonna pray for my hair because yeah. Wow, I'm just so.
Some of them probably don't even put back in until it grow out some more. So like I said, I don't want to put too much tension on your edges. And you still going through postpartum too. So 2 strand twists, like, you know how you wear when there's your hair is a protective style? It's a protective style for locks too. Like, that's why I recommend it to people. Right now you need less tension as possible.
Like, I do not need to
you don't need to leave that front out. You do not need to leave that front out at all. Let me see your hand. Feel this lock right here. Feel your base. Slide down, feel that base, and feel that lock. Now slide down to your root. Go on down with it. Now you feel that base?
Yes.
You see how thick that base is?
Yes.
That base thick enough to hold that lock.
Wow.
Because it's big, that part big enough. I just imagine how small them parts around your edges.
I got some really tiny parts. Oh my god. Y'all, yeah, she said the foundation is key. And my foundation is a little all over the place. I'm literally just now paying attention to that.
Feel this one. And that's a smaller one. But the base matches all of these.
Right. Yes.
And you felt that part on the side.
Wow.
Look how thicker this part is.
Right.
Now look at all this hair right here go together.
Wow.
Look how thin it is. Like I would have, like that would have been way thicker. Like I ain't gonna pull it out, but yeah, this would have been way thicker than this. It's a small fix. It's a small fix. Slay back and get you washed.
This is such a sad situation. I'm gonna have to make a whole video explaining what is wrong with my hair. It's that bad. So some of you may know I went through postpartum hair loss and shedding after I had my daughter last year, and it really started around May 2023 and it happened and continued probably through July 2023. This was like the worst time because my edges came out. I had bald spots, y'all. My hairline, it got pushed back. Like, it was thin out. All my locks had thinned out around my perimeter. So fast forward to this appointment, I basically lost about 4 locks already because they got thin at the root and they just broke off. And hopefully y'all were able to catch on to some of the things she was talking about in this appointment. But basically she was just giving me a few options on how to save my locks in the front. So I'm pretty sure y'all seen how she was doing that hand gesture as far as showing all the natural hair that I had in the front. So basically, guys, that is where all my locks fell out in the front. So I basically have like a little natural afro in the front and I only got like a few locks left in the front. So she was just telling me, like, did I want to cut off the remaining locks in the front and then she can reattach them, but my locks would be stiff and I would have to go through the locking process in the front again, and I was scared to do that. The next option was for her to just combine the loose natural hair with the lock behind it. So you guys will see what I mean. But it's basically obvious that my grid was created too close to my edges is what she was telling me, and I was supposed to have some space, so I guess it was supposed to be back, and the grid at your edges are supposed to be thicker because that is the most sensitive area and you just want a thicker base that is able to support the heaviness of your lock. Because what happened was I got instant locks. They started off small, but when they budded, y'all, they budded way thicker, of course. And my grid, as you can see, y'all, some of my blocks are way too small to support the weight of my locks. So when I wash my hair, y'all, you can't imagine the feeling, like the heaviness of my hair. I couldn't even hold my neck up in the shower. So I'm just scared, like, am I able to grow my locks any longer? Can I handle that? Because when they're dry, they're perfectly fine. But when I wash my locks, y'all, it's like I need 2 people on one side of my hair holding my locks because it's that much of a struggle to wash my hair by myself. Like, that's why it feels so much better to lay back and get my hair washed because my neck is supported. But like when I'm standing up in the shower, my hair is so heavy. Like I really don't see how people do it with these long, super long locks, y'all. And my hair ain't even super long yet. And I just really commend y'all out there who have super long locks and are able to find ways around washing your locks without breaking your neck. Cause yeah, I'm gonna need some tips. Like, how can I wash my hair without it feeling heavy? Like, do I need to just change where I wash my hair? Do I need to wash my hair in the sink or something? Just let me know, because your girl needs some help. But yeah, that's another thing to consider. If you are considered getting locks and you're considered growing long locks, just make sure y'all keep in mind that they are super heavy when they are wet. So when I go to the beach or get in the pool, I don't even want to put my head in the water no more, the way my locks feel when they heavy. I'm good. And if it sounds like I'm whispering, I am, because it's an ASMR. No, I'm just playing. It's just 2:30 in the morning and my baby is asleep. So those that get it, get it. Hashtag mom life. Because these videos got to get done one way or the other. No excuses. All 2024. Comment down below what y'all have look like right now. Are you wearing a bunny? Scarf? What? But after running my mouth so much, let me show you guys how my locks turned out.
On a cloud with you like 𝐿𝐿, with
welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take out my 2-strand twist. It's definitely way past time for them to come out, but I actually kept this in as a protective style because Chelsea, my loctician, she basically recommended that I keep them in because I went through some postpartum hair loss and shedding, and my hair was just super dry. Basically this style was just for me to stop bothering my hair, but now it's definitely time for them to come out. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take out all of these lock jewels, and I'm just gonna use my broke comb. See how it's broke? I'm gonna use this to pull the rubber band out, and then I'm just gonna use my hair scissors to snip the rubber band off, and we're gonna go ahead and speed this up.
It's about time for waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you force it up, taking this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you.
So real quick, I feel like this would be easier if I section my hair off. So I forgot to mention I do got some hair ties. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in sections.
I just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have in this place on earth, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have in this place on earth, take you there, take you there.
Alright y'all, so I'm more than halfway done. And sorry if y'all hear the rain, it's literally pouring down raining, but this didn't take as long as I thought it would, thank God. So I'm almost done with this, and then we're gonna hop onto the left side.
Won't you fill me up till my cups overflow?
Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm officially done taking this side out. Alright, so it's 3:40, so it almost took me an hour, but this is how it's looking.
I'm so anxious just to feel the sun.
Y'all see how it's growing?
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, babe.
Alright guys, so I'm done taking my 2-strand twist out, and this is what my locks are looking like. It's so full and curly. Look at that. Y'all see that?
It's about time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you force it up.
But yeah, I wanted to do my hair in the bathroom because I don't think I'll ever do my hair at my vanity. I don't see how some people do it because these little shed hairs, they get everywhere, and I just feel like it's easier for me to clean up off this floor. I moved our rug, so really all I have to do is sweep, and it's a hardwood floor, so it's an easy clean versus in the room. Of course I could just vacuum, but I can't really see the little hairs in the carpet, and my daughter has the best eyesight, so if she see anything in the carpet, she'll want to eat it. You know how toddlers are, they'll put anything in their mouth. Speaking of toddlers, y'all, can y'all believe I really have a toddler? She's not a baby anymore. This girl is really 1 year old. I feel so old saying that. Like, even though I'm not old, I still feel old saying that. Like, yeah, I have a 1 year old. That's crazy. But the best part of taking these 2-strand twists out is that I can scratch my scalp in all the places I couldn't. But yes, it's so full. I'm pretty sure somebody would think this is weird. All me, all growing from the scalp. No extensions. So yeah, this is all me, all growing from the scalp, no extensions. It's cute. Let me see what it look like if I did like a side. Let me see. If I did a side part. Don't mind that, y'all. That's what one lock fell out at. I'm gonna get it reattached though. Let me see. What does that look like? Is that cute? Yes, no. What y'all like better? Y'all like the side part, middle part? I don't know. Like, that's why I tell people when they go get locks, pay attention to their grid, because that's the thing. Like, I have a straight middle part. It's not straight now because I don't have a fresh retwist, but I have a straight middle part. If I ever want to style my hair like a bust down middle part or whatever, I have a straight middle part where I can do like 2 buns, or I can do like a slick back, or like pigtails, or just something where I want to showcase the middle part. And then I can flip it over here, and of course I have to part it out, but but I have a straight side part somewhere over here, and I have a straight side part somewhere over here. So that's why my grid is important, like, because when I wear hairstyles, I want to be able to wear a straight middle part and a straight right part or a straight left part. I mean, some people don't care because they can still wear their hair on the side, it just won't be a straight part. Y'all see what I'm saying? Or you can wear your hair styled in the middle with locks, but it won't be a straight middle part. You see what I'm saying? But me, I wanted that traditional straight middle part and straight side parts if I wanted to style my hair a certain way. So that's why I got it like that. But yeah, I'm tired and I got all this hair on me that I don't want to take in the room. And I don't have my lint roller. So it's literally 4:31 in the morning, and again, I'm finna be tired, but it'll be all right. I'm used to it. So I'm about to put my bunny on and I'm gonna sleep.
I need you.